How did you evolve or get into what you're doing now? Let's talk a little about your background and kind of how you got into being a capital gains tax solution expert.
Yeah. So most commercial real estate owners, business owners, high-end primary homeowners, they struggle with capital gains tax. And my story goes all the way back to 2006 and helping those types of owners. And in particular, it was investment real estate owners buy and sell investment properties via 1031 exchanges mostly. So I sort of learned the sticks and bricks and the financing side of it between 2006 and 2011. And during that time period, it was, one of the biggest, events in financial market history, 2008 crash. And we were looking to figure out ways to help our clients never have to face the pain of losing all or some of their equity through that crash. And a lot of it was because of the 1031 exchange, to be honest. We were brokers who were helping people do that, and that's how we get paid. But we found that it doesn't fit every situation, and people were overpaying, and that's kind of how they got hurt when they sold in 05 and 06, 07, and up-legged into bigger properties with equal or greater debt, and oftentimes overpaid. And so 08 hit, 09 hit, people started losing properties, especially here in Sacramento, California, where I'm from. And so we kind of set out on a mission to see what will we do different if this happened again, and what could we change. And at that time, my manager at the time brought in a gentleman to speak on this Deferred Sales Trust. And like most of your listeners right now, you're going to say, what is that? I've never even heard of it, And I've heard of a Delaware statutory trust. I know about a 1031, but what is a Deferred Sales Trust? And they started to tell us that you never have to do a 1031 ever again. And in fact, you can do away with the 1031 if you want to. You can use this to defer taxes. It's kind of like a 1031 for a business sale or high-end primary home sale. And essentially, it's an installment sale that allows you to defer tax, and you can get out of debt, and you could actually invest into notes, right? You can invest into stocks, bonds, mutual funds, different real estate syndications. There's just so much more flexibility versus the 1031. And so that really started me down this journey of how to add value to clients. At the time, I was just married. We just had a baby, making next to nothing in real estate because A, the market had crashed, but B, I was just kind of new to it. I didn't really have a lot of value to add to clients. And so just trying to make a deal work, trying to add value, trying to be creative and look for solutions. And so into the Deferred Sales Trust, it changed the way I approached every deal. And I started to win more deals, win more listings, add more value, and really connect with more people because indeed it can solve certain challenges that just the 1031 really can't do.
You have just listened to another information-packed episode of Capital Gains Tax Solutions with Brett Swarts. We hope you enjoyed today's show and found it helpful. Visit capitalgainstaxsolutions.com to access the show notes and to access more resources. Don't forget to leave a review and join us again next time.